Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with a 206 star drop opening, and I'm very excited today because not only do I have over 50 star drops to open, but I've got a guaranteed legendary, 2 guaranteed epics, and we have the double star drop going on here. So again, I'm not even gonna try to count how many there are right now. I'm going to assume I've already put it in the title in the future after I've recorded this, so you guys will know exactly how many I've opened, but it's gonna be nuts. But I'm hoping that I get at least one decent item out of all these star drops. That is the goal here. But yeah, without further ado, guys, again, I hope you're excited as I am, and let's see what we got.
Rare.
Starting with the rare. Rings, 10 credits.
Rare.
Rare again. 25 power points. Alright.
Rare.
Still rare. 50 points.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 power points.
Rare.
Another rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
Rare. 100 XP doublers. Alright, so before I get on to the rest of the star drops, doesn't look like much has changed since yesterday. So the real question is, where do I start? Whoa. Because we got a $50 gem offer in the shop with 10% extra. And unless you just have large pockets, I don't know this necessarily the best offer. And I think that bling offer they had was significantly better, when you could only buy things that you could buy with bling. For a daily freebie, 10 power points. And 15 coins. I know you guys are probably dying just for me to get back to the star drops, so I think I'm going to hop onto the track here.
Rare.
We're on track. 50 coins on a rare.
Epic.
Oh, we got an epic. Hey, is that?
I could do this if I wanted to.
I knew what skin it was before it popped up, but I couldn't think of the name. Right, that's a pretty decent one.
Rare.
There we go. 50 coins.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 power points.
Rare.
25 power points.
Rare.
50 coins.
Mythic.
That's 200 credits though.
Rare.
Rare. 25 power points. Again, the thing I probably want the least is power points. Rare. 100 XP doublers.
Epic.
Epic. Is it just me, or I know they increase like the drop rate of what are considered quote-unquote better items and legendaries, but I feel like I get more decent items out of epics now than I do from mythics. Okay, so we got the Piper Spray.
Rare.
2 rare. 25 power points.
Rare.
2 rare. 25 power points.
Rare.
Another rare. 100 XP doublers. I don't mind getting the XP doublers, especially once we get to the coin shower part of the events. Rare, 10 credits, because then it'll double the coins, which is actually a pretty darn good thing.
Super rare.
Do a super rare. 50 power points.
Rare.
2 rare. 25 power points.
Super
Super
rare.
rare. 100 coins.
Rare.
Rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
25 power points.
Super rare.
Super rare. 100 coins.
Rare.
Rare. 100 XP doublers.
Rare.
Rare again. Another 100 XP doublers.
Epic.
Epic. What's with this? Why am I getting considerably better items out of the epics here? That I don't understand that. It's like the That's not just a coincidence, right?
Super rare.
Super 50 power points. And I think I'm gonna save the guaranteed epics and legendary for last. So the real question in my mind that I want to see answered at this very moment is, when I click this button, do I have to go star drop by star drop, or is it going to give me the option to open all 36 at once? That's what I want to see. Oh my god, it's actually gonna make me go one by one.
Rare.
Rare 100 XP doublers? I mean, I was gonna go one by one anyway, but it would have at least been nice to see the option. Again, I'm assuming if I waited till tomorrow, it'd probably force me to open them all or give me the option to skip, but this is nuts.
Rare.
Rare? 100 XP doublers? Oh, and if you guys are watching this video when the new season has started and you haven't claimed your star drops, tell me what happened, because I'm interested to know.
Epic.
Team Epic. 100 power points.
Rare.
One to a rare. 50 coins. This is gonna take a while.
Epic.
What is with this? The epics are the good star drops now, guys. What?
Super rare.
Super rare, 50 power points.
Super rare.
Super rare, 100 coins.
Mythic.
Mythic. Ooh, okay, now we're getting somewhere.
Time to make a splash!
Well, it's not the most exciting skin, but it's something.
Epic.
Team Epic. Hey, we're getting some pretty decent things here.
Rare.
Rare. 100 XP doublers.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 bling. I'll take that.
Rare.
Rare. 100 XP doublers.
Rare.
Rare again. 25 power points.
Rare.
Rare again. 50 coins.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 power points.
Rare.
Rare. 50 coins.
Epic.
Epic. It's undeniable at this point, guys. The epics are just better star drops. I don't understand. I don't even have that squeak skin, and I have this right now. Like, what?
Super rare.
Super rare. 200 XP doublers.
Rare.
Rare. 100 XP doublers. I gotta open up the squeak skin and see if I can use that spray without owning the skin. That's gonna be wild. Rare. 50 power points. Okay.
Rare.
Rare. 50 coins.
Legendary.
Looks like I got 2 guaranteed legendaries.
Mr. Bat wants
That's
to
a
play.
good one. Alright, I'm happy about that. Comes with the pin too. It's a great Halloween skin. Alright.
Rare.
Rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
Rare again. 100 XP doublers.
Super rare.
Super rare. 100 XP doublers.
Rare.
Rare. 20 bling.
Rare.
Rare again. 50 coins.
Super rare.
Rare. 50 power points.
Rare.
Rare. 100 XP doublers.
Rare.
Rare again. 25 power points. You hate to see it.
Mythic.
Thick. Yeah, I'm for a really decent load here. Hey, Foot Bonnie. I don't think I have any other Bonnie skins, so I suppose I'll take it. It's a weird name.
Rare.
A rare. 10 credits.
Rare.
Rare again. 50 coins.
Rare.
Rare again. 100 XP doublers.
Rare.
Rare. 50 coins.
Rare.
Then we'll just try the track with a rare 50 coins. So, I'll hop over to our free Epic Star Drops from the Brawl Together event. And we have 100 blings, decent enough. And we also have Sharpie Spray. Alright, not too bad. And I guess while I'm here, I might as well just playing these. Why not?
Play nice, everyone.
Oh, what in the Lord's name? Why does only one of the skins look like the new skin? That's weird. Alright. I'm wondering if that's just a visual glitch. Let me see. Yeah, I gotta switch now to see what the Lord's name. Okay, I believe I have one at the bottom here.
Rules rule the world.
Yeah, okay, so that was a visual glitch. I don't know what that was.
Obey rules like a boss.
In the Brawl Talk, they said you should be proud if you own this skin. I don't know why. It feels like blatant advertising, but it's a pretty cool skin. I'll admit that. For our guaranteed legendary. Oh man. Gotta end off with 1,000 credits. Right, well. Let's see. 1,500. 900. I guess if I pause the video quick, I can open up just one more star drop. You guys are gonna have to wait a second. Let's see what I can do here. Alright, so somehow by playing as Spike, I was able to complete 4 challenges at the exact same time. And I managed to rack a 13 win streak despite hardly trying, which is quite surprising, honestly. But it is solo showdown, so I can't expect much from teaming and picking trophies, I guess. But I also was able to get 2 more star drops, which again I'm surprised by. That's probably due to the fact that it's tokened up or activated during the Brawl Together event. So,
Legendary.
okay, well, I'm glad I did it. 1,000 coins.
Rick.
Again, 3 legendaries in one video is pretty impressive, I think. But again, we're gonna end it off with 25 more points out of a rare star drop. And I'll probably just collect all the credits, or rather have them auto-collect tomorrow. I don't really want to waste more time in the video just collecting credits. So yeah, guys, again, let me know if you saved up your star drops. Let me know what happens tomorrow if you decide not to collect them. And let me know if you got anything good. I think I got a pretty decent haul, actually, so yeah, as of today, I have 1,384 XP doublers and 22,694 power points. And of course, lastly, make sure you let me know if you guys are excited for the Dragon Pit season tomorrow. And let's see how far I can take this, guys.